Okay, so my cousin's staying tonight, and like we keep hearing like noises. We heard them up in the kitchen, 2 in the hall, but we don't see anything in the hall. Like seriously, my room is like there's the hall, here's my room. My room's missing, and don't want to sit up. Seriously, my room is. Oh, that's my room. My cousin's staying tonight. My cousin's staying tonight. Yeah, my cousin's staying tonight. Yeah, but I don't think it's 3. I think it's 3 p.m. right now because like we keep hearing like weird noises and like
Yeah, we keep hearing like weird noises.
we're about to videotaping YouTube, so if anything happens to us, just locate the police and
Just bring the phone.
That's my cousin's picture. Seriously, I'm so scared. It's like, it's 1.
It's
like
2 o'clock now.
It's like 2 o'clock, 1 hour until tonight. Like,
It's 2 o'clock right now, and 1 more hour, it will be 3. And do you think we can make it?
it's 2 a.m. in the morning, so we're up really early in the morning. It's like in the morning.
Yeah, it's actually morning.
Seriously, we stayed up all night.
Yeah, we stayed up
Since
all
we woke up this morning, I don't think we took 1 nap, and we're not tired. Why is our face blurry? So,
night.
like,
We'll text you back whenever it's ready. Bye.
yeah, bye.